In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find personal injury lawyers near me. If you've been injured and you're trying to find legal help in the United States, it's important to start with reliable sources. A good first step is to use trusted legal directories such as the American Bar Association, AVO, or Justia. These platforms can help you identify attorneys in your area and give you a general sense of their background, practice focus, and reputation. They're especially useful because they let you compare multiple lawyers in one place instead of starting from scratch. Another excellent resource is your State Bar Association website. Every U.S. state has an official bar association with a searchable directory of licensed attorneys. This is one of the best places to confirm that a lawyer is currently licensed and in good standing. It's a smart move to use the State Bar directory early in your search because it helps you verify that the attorney is legally authorized to practice and doesn't have active disciplinary issues. As you review your options, online legal platforms like Avio and Justia can also provide client reviews, lawyer ratings, and background details. These tools can help you narrow your list, but remember to treat reviews as just one part of the decision-making process. A strong profile is helpful, but it should be backed up by proper licensing, relevant experience, and a clear explanation of how the lawyer handles cases. You can also ask for personal recommendations from people you trust. Friends, family members, or colleagues may be able to point you toward an attorney they've worked with or someone they've heard positive things about. Personal referrals can add confidence to your search, especially when combined with independent research. Once you've found a few potential lawyers, take time to vet them carefully. First, verify the lawyer's license through the state bar and make sure there are no active disciplinary actions. Next, confirm their experience by asking how many cases they've handled that are similar to your specific injury or accident. Personal injury law covers many types of cases, so it's important to find someone with experience that closely matches your situation. Finally, ask about the fee structure. Many personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, which means they only get paid if you win or settle your case. Make sure that is clearly explained so you understand what to expect before moving forward. By using trusted directories, checking official bar records, reviewing experience, and confirming fees, you can make a more informed choice and find a personal injury lawyer who fits your needs.